For me, as a blind person, Vilnius is not so much about the things I can see. Vilnius for me is some place in which you can experience a lot of things.
Esu neregys, miestą pažįstu taip pat kaip ir kiti žmonės, kaip ir reginti žmonės, bet kartu šiek tiek kitaip. Man daug informacijos teikia aplinkiniai garsai. Katedros varpinėje stovi, o virš galvos muša varpas. Ir tas garsas eina per visą kūną.
Vilnius for me is the city which is built between the trees. You go with the bus number 10 and you get out on Subačiaus stop and you can see that beautiful view, red roofs, blue sky and many trees, many birds singing, flying all around. Those dots, those colors, it's very beautiful for me.
Once we stayed too long in the club with my friends and we needed to return to our district. Walking that night and searching for the way back home, I felt completely safe, felt some unwritten contribution that we are peaceful and friendly to each other.
When I think about Vilnius, I feel secure. You hear trees rustling in the wind,
dogs barking.
Reljefo paviršius, įvairios erdvės, jų įsidėstymas.
There are sounds of children playing.
Many cars, many beeps.
Kiekvienas kiemas turi savo aurą.
This is what is beautiful for me.
When I think of Vilnius, I feel home. I feel happy, and I am proud about living in Vilnius.